In the System Service section, you can view the detailed parameters and usage of this device, as well as update and restore settings for the system. In general, you can view basic and hardware information about the machine. Information related to storage space and partition usage, storage pool formation composition and hard disk status. The current details of internal services and applications in UGREEN NAS, along with their corresponding utilized ports. Select your preference regarding participation in the Device Analysis Improvement Program and the activation of the WebFind service. Please check the relevant privacy policy carefully before enabling. On the System Updates page, you can view the current system version and the timestamp indicating the most recent update check. Carry out a manual installation of the system and set the update strategy. If you need to reset network settings or restore factory settings, you can do so on this page. Backup and restore configurations are also available. However, during the restoration process, certain configurations, such as network settings, traffic control, firewall settings, etc., may not be applicable depending on the environment.